Shreya has 540 kg of rice. She poured 4/9 of it in the rice container and packed 3/5 of the remainder into 6 bags. How much rice was there in each bag? Now this is a difficult one. Huh? See here, total is 540 kg. Out of that 9 parts are made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if 540 are 9 parts, 1 part means how much? 60. 540 divided by 9, 60. So each part is 60 now. Now what has happened? 4/9 is packed in a container. 4/9 means 4 part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 60 multiplied by 4 means 240 kgs are in a container. And remaining, now what is remaining then? 540 minus 240, that is 300 total. Now that is remaining. And out of that, what has he done? 3/5 of the remaining is packed in 6 bags. Say this, remaining are only 5 parts, means 4 are gone in the container. Out of these 5 parts, 3/5 means 3 parts, they are packed in 6 bags. Now what will be these 3 parts? 60, 60, 60, 180. Now this 180 kg is packed in 6 bags, it's given. See this, packed 3/5 of the remainder in 6 bags of the remainder, right? This was the whole remainder, these 5 parts, and 3/5 of that packed in 6 bags. Now 180 has gone in 6 bags equally. So each would be 180 divided by 6. So that comes out to be 30. See this, 180 upon 6. 6 3 is 18 and 0 is there, 30. Answer.